Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I got a tutorial on shut your ass up. Anyways, like I was saying, I got a tutorial today on a 2007 Acura TSX. We're gonna be doing this strut, sending them today, well, and it today. So this is my dog car, and every time you hit a bump, the whole front of the car feels like it's about to fall apart. Strut mounts are bad, so we're gonna do those today. And this is really easy, it's not too hard. So anyways, wheel off first. Jesus Christ. Make sure you don't lose these. Wheel off. Skateboard that hoe. Down at the light. Dark as fuck over here. There's axle new over here. Okay. Take our 17 off. Need a hammer to hit that. It should fall forward. I'll get on the floor. Get this screw out. Fucking 17. Yep. Too big for this shit. And there should be a screw back here, right there. That hole should be a 14 though. Yup. Now to the top, these 3 screws should be 14s. They ain't tighten something down right here. The strut tower. The long 14. Right. Long 14. All right, those 4 screws out. Now this falls down. Goddamn hammer right here. Fuck that fight on that shit. There you go. Bitch can't shoot out of there. Yeah, that mount ain't no good. Look at it, it's all broke up in there. It's dry rotted, it's flat. No good. That mount in there is supposed to be real thick. So when you hit some shit, it's supposed to be a soft cushion so the car don't jangle around like it do right now. When they get flat like that and they get old and busted up, you'll see how the new one look when it come. All right, we got a new one. Oh shoot. New one. Way better than the old one. First thing we're gonna do with these, because they have the bolts on, take the screws out the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this in here. You're not gonna be able to watch me though. Though of course not gonna be able to pick up that. I'm doing it by myself. The easiest way to do this is to put this up inside the hole and get about 2 screws in it and make it sit there by itself, and then we could do the rest of it. Because I'm trying to hold this shit. Yeah. Boom. I'm gonna use one of the old screws for now because I left the other ones down there. Alright, now the shark will stay by itself. You don't gotta hold it. And your bottom piece, you can just put that up. Alright, so that's the hard stuff. So for the rest of this video, I'm about to just be working. This is a really easy job. It's not hard at all, as you guys can see. I just floated along doing this. All right. All right, that's it. That is pretty much it, guys. I'll put my tire back on and yeah. Boom. Forgot where I put the freaking things at. All right, guys, that's how you do it. That's pretty much it. It's all done. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Hopefully it was very helpful for some of you. But that's gonna be the end of this one. And that's how you do struts, strut assembly on a 2007 Acura TSX. If the video was helpful, make sure you drop a like, a thumbs up. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.